Identifying the pitfalls of traditional hollow composite boards, retaining water and succumbing to sun-induced failures like cracks and warping, Eva-Last set out to innovate. Their goal? Redefine composite board profiles without compromising strength or span capabilities. I-Series, a highly specialized patented profile, was launched by Eva-Last in 2016. And to this day, the innovative profile continues to revolutionize the composite decking market around the world. With superior engineering in its I-beam design, I-Series uses less material than comparable boards, offering a more cost-effective solution, saving resources and energy used in its production and transportation. While the I-Series profile is lighter in weight, it doesn't compromise the board's structural integrity or performance. Instead, it maintains strength, span capabilities, and load capacity of its equivalent solid profiles, all while being easier to handle and install. The I-Series profile provides better ventilation, avoiding moisture ingress common in hollow core boards, and allows heat to dissipate more efficiently than other profile shapes, reducing surface temperature. Available in Infinity and EverTech decking technologies, I-Series combines all the benefits of these surface technologies while maintaining the structural profile performance. Available in a wide array of colors, the I-Series range provides aesthetic variety and high performance at an optimized cost without harming the environment. Eva-Last, an innovation leader in the composite industry.